you know that it's just, and he got it.
Okay, let him float a little bit, then float away. Okay, move it, move it, move it, move it. Yeah. Not so high up in the air. Okay. Whee! Gotta make it a little slower so you can catch it sometimes, though.
Whoa. I'm not making news cram.
Nice. Not quite so fast. There you go. Gotta give him a chance to get it.
This is fun.
Good.
When are you gonna do it?
He's gonna get dizzy.